walked in on Nolita and Magazi talking about the pregnancy. They lied to him saying that they were talking about money. Chuma even gave Umagazi imali. Nolita ignored advice Kamagazi and went to tell Solomzi that she is pregnant with his baby. Nyiko is spiraling out of control. He almost had to vela Pinosi Amtanda, and Uribs denies that she is the one giving them drugs. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita the enemy. So Utuma walked in on Umagazi bethetha pregnancy, saying that Utuma must not find out the truth about this. Uma buza ke ukuthi yini, what is it that I'm not supposed to find out? Umagazi lied. Yo, she's so good at lying. She said that we were talking about money. I wanted to borrow some money because life is a bit tough, and I'm a bit so I didn't want Nolita to tell you because practically it's your money since you guys in Chadili. And no, don't worry, I'm practically your son. Ufuna malini. Umagazi says 500. Chuma then gave him 1,000 rand. She was so happy. Ati, you're a good man, blah blah blah. Now Uchuma, and then Uchuma left. Ati Magazi, you can lie, and if you lie properly, you can even get money for it. You can even be paid for it. And then Magazi advises Nolita ukuthi, does this house still belong to girlfriend Chuma? Avume ke uNolita, yo, you need to be smart. Because what if Chuma dies? You need to buy this house. Ati ngithenga kanjani indlu while you are married in commercial property? Umagazi says, no, buy this house under my name. And when you're about to become a mother, what's going to happen to your child? Do you know the Gumedas would say the minute you come Eshona, they're going to kick you out. And worse if they find out about the truth about this baby. So now Nolita is thinking about buying this house. And then Magazi leaves, advising Nolita to find the right time to tell Chuma about the pregnancy. But Nolita decides to go against what Umagazi told her, goes to see Solomzi and tells him that she is pregnant with his baby. Agase shocked Solomzi ukuthi yo, he's preparing to get married. Now Nolita is carrying his baby from that one night stand that they had that caused a very huge problem between him and Chuma. And then Unyiko is spiraling out of control. The drugs he's taking are just messing him up. Because now he's busy fighting people up. Usi Mtanda bumped him and spilled his drink. Yo, Wakasuga, he was just all worked out. And it seems like he's got a score to settle Novelapi because he wanted to fight Uvelapi so bad. The next thing, Umfana so shy bodlela pansi, like I don't know, Uvelapi saying, let's fight. You were lucky in that ring. Acasuke Solomzi because they're fighting Shisanya Magananda. Acasuke Solomzi ambamba but yes, when been telling you to stop this nonsense and Solomzi actually contained him. Nandi was panicking and tried to call Mam Nomsa saying, hey, Babuzo Antiga Niko, Unyiko uyabheda. Then he goes home busy going on about, no, you're not useless, because he's talking alone in the mirror. Now, afike Mam Nomsa, no, Antiga Niko. And they try to talk to him, but he says that those people provoked him. It's not his fault, blah, blah, blah. Now, Mam Nomsa can see, whereas the behavior is the same thing that Uvelap was doing when he was going to Rebecca. So it means that Rebecca is giving them this other thing, but that is making them behave this way. Unyiko goes to Mom Rebecca saying that he needs a favor, he needs a place to stay for a few days. Mom Rebecca says, no, I've got a better offer for you. Takes out a bag of money, full of money, saying, you can go and pay for your own place to stay. Bafike they get disturbed by Umam Nomsa no Auntie Kanyiko, Betty accusing Rebecca of giving the kids drugs, saying she's ruining a community. I pick Rebecca saying she's not giving anyone drugs, and this boy Unyiko wants to be there. Katie said, you want to stay here or Yahamba? Ati yena ngiyeke bana I'm working la ngiyasebenza ngiyahereza. Rebecca nimzwile kumntwana uthi she's hustling. Ubhuti Rebecca tries to intervene. Ujafta kuthi hawusisa ubayeka athi hey wena phuma lele yabo mama. And then Zandile has decided to thinking actually to do umcimbi for like to celebrate ukuthi iphelile i-morning period kuzilo kambuso. It's just been said Royal House, and so they need to have like umcimbi nje lomncane ukuthi ba celebrate ukuthi seyiphelile i-morning period kambuso. Avuma ke bhuti wakhe Tika kuthi umcondo lomuhle loyo, and then he's worried why Chuma is quiet and not saying anything about this whole thing that they did. Now but Tika does not think, because he's saying this thing in front of Umkhonto, and Umkhonto has been against them for a very long time. So he might also get them into trouble. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.